Hello everyone. At first I want to thank you for clicking on this video. Today we are going to create a web page using HTML and Sass, which contain looped video background. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now let's start writing code. First open Visual Studio Code and create a folder. Then create HTML and Sass files. Open HTML file and use exclamation mark and press enter. Now open Sass and remove margin and padding from HTML. Link your style sheet with HTML, add source to it. Create div with class background. Add video tag inside background class. And inside tag at autoplay to play video automatically. Then mute to stop audio of video and loop to play video infinity time. Now add source tag inside it and an attached video source. I already imported my video folder. I recommend to install Live Server and Live Sass compiler to see Live changes in browser. Create a section with ID container. Add div with class text and inside it add h1 tag which contains text love nature. The add p tag which contain lorem text. You can add lorem text simply by just typing lorem 20, then it generates 20 words. Now only our button remains, so we add button tag and inside it we add text explorer more. We are done with our HTML work, so now let us jump to styling in Sass. Let us style body and don't forget to apply box sizing to border box to all HTML. Inside body add font family Papians and also add sans serif if Papians does not work. Adds color white for fonts. Give height 100 VH to body. Adds overflow to hidden to avoid scrolling on page. Now you can see we are not unable to scroll on page. Adds background class and give position relative to it and height 100 VH. Adds video tag and inside tag assign object fit to cover and give heights 100% and width 100%. Adds id container and inside ID assign position absolute so we can align our container in front of video background. Align text to center and give top 50% and left 50% to put our container in center. To fix container perfectly on center, we need to transform and translate X and Y by shifting each axis to -50%. Add H1 tag and assign font size and font weight. Experiment with it and find best value according to your taste. Same for P tag and assign font size and font weight. Experiment with it and find best value according to your taste. Add button tag and style it. Add margin padding, remove border and give color to background and give border radius. Feel free to play with values like margin padding, border radius, and etc. to get good results. Always use rem values, avoid pixel values because it causes some responsive issues. We done with styling. Let's add some little action to button and H1 tag. I accidentally added this span tag to my reference code, so don't worry, it works on your code. Here I added hover to it. That means if my cursor move above it, then it plays some action which are written inside it. Here I added transform to move button downward when we hover on it. Change cursor to pointer on button. This is the reason that's why span hover is not working, because I write span in my reference code. So that's with friends, this is tutorial how to create a video background in HTML Sass. Hope you like, so don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for this type of content.